Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi there! Wow, grabe! Sobrang lamig. Iba talaga yung panahon today. I just went out to the grocery to buy some chicken, mushroom, cilantro, sesame seeds. Gusto ko kasi magluto ng something na nababagay sa panahon today. And that's hot and sour chicken soup. Tara! Let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So for our hot and sour chicken soup, the ingredients we're going to use are chicken stock, chicken breast, cut into cubes, chili flakes, ginger, garlic, bamboo shoots, mushroom, spring onion for garnish, egg, sesame oil, canned vinegar, slurry, and soy sauce. So now let's preheat our grill pot. First, chicken stock. Add our ginger, garlic, bamboo shoots, mushrooms, soy sauce. So while we are waiting for our stock to boil, season our chicken breast with sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Then add to our stock. Season with salt. And pepper. Chili flakes. Then add your vinegar to our slurry. Pour natin sa stock natin. So by the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Then add our egg while stirring. So, okay na. Ready na for plating. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. There you have it, our hot and sour chicken soup.